Alright guys, look how lovely this look. Our Jamaican brown stew pork. Ready to eat. Yeah? This no I do nothing more to, right? This ready to consume. Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to my channel once more. And you know you are in the kitchen with your girl Pally's from Pally's Kitchen. Anyways, make we get into this now. Right now guys, may I do some quick and easy stew pork, yeah? I may have some rice and peas. May not even put in the rice yet, but me season up my water and put in my coconut and yeah, me a go on, man. So it's a quick thing me I do, guys. So alright, me have some lemon, I have a lime, and I have half of a lemon that I use to wash my pork. Yeah, the other half me squeeze in a water and drink it. So I go wash this and get it all clean up. Get these bad boys clean up and season it up and thing. And I'll take you through that little journey. How to do your brown stew pork. Quick and easy, not long. Fasting with the pan today, yeah? Alright. Alright guys, you don't know I have to give my meat more than one wash. So I'm just passing them back in some fresh water, you know. Subscribe to my channel, you know how I do my thing. I have to use my lime or lemon or both of them. I also use vinegar as well when we're ready, yeah, to get my meat clean and to reduce the raw scent and yeah. So we're going to give this another wash. We are on to another wash again. One thing I can tell you guys, when I'm doing my meat, I wash it until I am satisfied with how it looks and the cleanness of it. Once it is clean and to my satisfaction, you know. Sometimes I wash it 5 times, 4 times. It depends on the type of meat that I am cooking and it depends on the amount. But yeah, one thing I can tell you, I wash it till I am satisfied with how it looks after I finish washing. Alrighty, so as we say, I clean up these bad boys and we'll get right back. Yeah man, quick and easy brown stewed pork. Alrighty, I'm going to dash on some seasoning on my pork right about now. So this is it guys, really clean and nice. Yeah man, I know you're seeing these things on the pork, but this is the stamp. Yeah, they have to stamp the meat to show that the meat is good. So anytime I'm cooking meat or anything and you guys see any sort of like these things on it, it is the stamp. The meat have to stamp, it have to pass through the health inspector. Yeah, so that you can know that this is good to consume. Alrighty, and that is a good thing, yeah man. So guys, I have to go break. Give the pork a little break and wash my rice and dash in on the pot because the pot season up and everything, and you know the water they just a boil out. Full time for rice go in, yeah? So we're gonna just wash this and toss it right in our pot. Alright guys, see what I'm telling you? This is my pot that I'm going to dash my rice in. The whole of my thing a boil out, man. Watch the pot well seasoned and I wait for the rice and the rice can't come. Anyway, I eat this still, not before the time. So dashing in some rice in this and I'm just going to cover and allow it to steam. Yeah? So I'm going to give that a little stir and cover him up, alright? Alright now guys, so we are back and we are going to just dash on some season and our pork. But you don't know, I'm a strong believer in, you know, you should dry your meat. Dry it so you get the best result when you dash on your season on it. You know, you don't want this heap of water. I want to tell you something too. After me finish wash it and thing, you know, I have to leave it to drain. Yeah, I leave it to drain off all of that water. But I mean, everything no drain off. So that's why, you know, me bring in the bounty. And I'm going to just sap right away and get rid of most of this water before me dash on my season. Yeah man, so this over there. And you don't know guys, 24 hours is the best marinate. You know, to marinate your meat, you leave it overnight. Yeah man, 24 hours is the best marination. But anyways, I'm gonna leave this a couple hours still. But here what I'm gonna use and conquer that thing you have to make the season well nice and jelly and all of that. I blend up season man. My Jamaican blend up season. Remember me showing how to do that thing there? Yeah, how to blend up on a Jamaican season. Look at this now guys. Most of the water gone. Yeah, looking at the pan. Yeah. You part the meat, you're not seeing any water in the pan. Yeah. Pan bottom dry. So we're gonna dash on the season now. Alright. So we now do no measuring, we just gonna dash on some season. So first thing first, I'm going to dash on some. Again, go ahead and use your favorite season, guys. Alright? And then I'm going to dash on some salt as well. In with some ground paprika. Yeah? Dash a little of that on it. And in with a little black pepper as well. And you know, we're going to need a little browning. And this browning here was made by my husband. Yup, it's not the buy browning. So, if you are one of my subscribers, you already know when I say it's not the buy browning. Yeah? Because if you are my subscriber, you will be watching the channel. So you will see that, yeah, this is the browning that he has made for me to use. But anyway, when this browning are done, I go buy one because I go wait on him. Make browning again. Although me can do it still, you know, but I mean, I guess him do it better. Anyway, these are the big bad season where we can't left out. Yeah man, our Jamaican blame up. You have to have some of that, guys. You have to have some of that with your pimento berries, your thyme, you know your scotch bonnet. Oh God, me tired of telling you the ingredients. Just go up on my channel and look. You know, I show you how to make it, alrighty? So just go on the channel. So we're going to give that a good massage. Yeah, you can go in with your 2 hand or your 1 hand. Anything you are comfortable with, you go ahead and you do that. Yeah, you do just about that. So we're going to rub up this gelatin real nice. So yeah man, I eat this guys. I'm going to just leave this for a couple hours to marinate. After me rubbing all of these nice seasoning really good. Yeah, make sure you use your hands and rub it in, you know, gelatin real good in your meat. Alright, I hit that now. So here we're gonna just leave this to marinate a couple hours as what I say. And then I think kind of in a long time, you know, probably I'll want 2 hours I leave it for. Or probably an hour. I don't even know, but yeah man, we'll get right back to you. Alright? Brown stew pork. Quick and easy. Yeah? We not depend on the long thing. Not this morning, yeah. Dinner need to be ready within the next 45 minutes or so we'll just make a little check-in with the rice pot and see how I go and feed. Alright, so I eat that. Looking lovely. Yeah. Nicely I get it little nice steam out. So you don't know the rice I got ready before the pork, you know, because we have to leave that to marinate a little. Yeah man. So I eat that, yeah. Dinner will be served shortly. Alrighty, so time to reveal our pork. Yeah man. So I just use another pan to cover. Alrighty, so I eat this, guys. So yeah, me now tell no lie, you know. Me never make it stay for an hour, you know. This is like 45 minutes or 43 minutes, trust me. Yeah, it never stay for an hour. But you don't know it, I got nice and spicy same way. Alright, so I'm going to go over to the stove with it, you know, and I already put on my pot and let my pot get really hot because you don't know time ago. Yeah, so this is it. I don't tip any oil in my pot, although my pork is not fatty. I don't like fatty pork. I don't like when the pork have a lot of fat on it, you know. It generates a lot of oil. So make I just dash them in the pot now. So I'm not using any oil. What I do, I just let the pot get hot, really hot. I mean extremely hot. So I'm gonna toss in my pork. So that's everything. Yeah. So I'm not going to add any water as yet. So look at that, guys. I need to get this nicely brown up. So that's what I'm aiming for. So I'm just gonna cover and checking in with my pork. Yep, look at that. I did not add any water as I suggest, as I stated. So I'm just turning this for the first time since I added to the pot. So I'm going to cover and allow this to continue to brown. I need it to brown up nicely before I dash any water on it. Alright, so we'll cover and allow it to continue to cook. Yeah, man. Pork is soft and nice, you see, guys. So I'm going to add my Irish to the pot right about now. Alright, so I'm just dice up, chop up, whatever you may call it. This Irish. I'm also putting a onion. Although you don't see me put on the blend up season, it consists of onion as well, but yeah, drop some onion in this same way. Spice never can too much. I love to use a lot of herb seasoning. Then I'm putting a carrot as well. You know, me have that nice, lovely, fresh big boy there. You know, me now go cut him up, you know, me just go drop him right in the middle of the pot. You know that little thing there? It's a Jamaican thing, guys. Yeah? We love to put a whole pepper in our pot. I think that is one of our signature as well. So this is it, man. So I'm going to toss this over in the pot right about now, yeah? Alright, now guys, look at that. You hear that popping? Alright, so this is it. My pork has been brown up nice and everything, so I'm going to put some water on it right about now. So this is the first water. Never dash on it, alright? So you don't know that's the pan that it was seasoned in. I'm just going to put a little water in that. We're going to toss it on our pork right about now. And cover him back and allow him to continue to cook. You don't want to fill up your pot of water. You want to just add little water as you go along and let it nicely brown. And you know, make it nicely cook down. Alright, so that's how you cover this back. Yeah, man, I eat that. Alright guys, checking in with our brown stew pork. Alrighty. All of the water they dry out. Look at the first water. So this is some second water. We're going to dash in it right away. Add in some more water. And we are going to add our Irish to the pot as well. Adding our Irish to the pot, and I cut my Irish chunky. And I'm going to just chop up an Irish. We're going to also go ahead and add our onion. Adding our onion as well. Alright. We're going to give that a good little mix. And cover and allow to cook. Yeah. So that's it. We're going to cover now. Voila. Alright, checking in back with our pork. Yeah man, our brown stew pork looking lovely as ever. Look at that guys. Woo! Oh my, this just want the rice and peas, you know. Oh lordy. Yeah, this is the final. So I'm going to dash in my big boy. Right, this one I need it. Yeah, as we mentioned before, I'm going to dash in the carrot. And guys, you don't know if you want your gravy to be a little thick, you mix a little cornstarch, or you can go ahead and use a little flour. So that's exactly what I'm about to do now. Yeah, I'm going to mix a little cornstarch, dash in my pan this, and yeah man, I hit that. I don't love when my carrots stick out. I don't like when they are too soft, too mushy. So don't watch that. I just put in the carrot, and I am going to just put in my cornstarch, and then you know, that's it. Carrot is good. You know, you can eat carrot raw, so you don't have to cook it until it is mushy. Yeah. Alright, so I eat that. Alright, so as I mentioned now guys, yeah, tossing in my little cornstarch. And you want to give that a good stir as soon as you do that, so that it don't thick up. I know you want to stir that so that it's mixed out properly. You don't have any lumps. Alright, so this look like it need a little touch of water as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my pot. I'll add a little water to the container, and I'm gonna just add that to my pot as well. So this is it guys, our brown stew pork, our Jamaican brown stew pork. Yeah man. So stay tuned for the plating of this and the yamins as well. So I'm going to just cover back this for a minute or two, and yeah, I eat that. Looking good, ready for yam. Or should I say eat, or ready to consume, whichever one. Alright now guys, so you don't know these time can remove because I'm done do the job already. Season the pot, and the pot is all mushy and nice. Look how rice and peas shelly and nice. Oh. Alright, so this is nice and mushy. I wait for meat. Meat I go drop right in it now, my peeps. Nicely brown stew pork. Oh my god, what else could you want with this rice and peas? Oh my. You know what, if I plate this, you know guys, I have to open my mouth. You know I know mommy plate this because mommy not eat so much. And from you see all the pepper toss in that. From you see all the pepper toss in that. No question asked. You guys know what time it is. So we're having some string bean for a vegetable, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna toss a few salad in a that and I eat that for the plate, yeah. More plate leave to share out, guys. So this is just one down, couple more to go. Yes guys, so this is our brown stew pork and look on everybody plate. I want to look good on them plate here. Enough and full of meat. And people love pork, you see. I know this is mommy plate, the smallest plate. Why are you looking like that? That's so true.
What's the difference, baby?
Where's the difference?
I tell you, when you used to go to school, you used to do the mental ability. Everybody plate look alike, but that one have in a green.
You know if I plate that? Young people. So you can identify daddy plate?
Well, daddy have a plate with the name on it. Thank you.
Alright, so peace out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. And I do appreciate all comments, guys. I really do. And I read each and every one of them.